the next module, we're going to learn about the HDL IP gateway. The model number is HDL MBUS01 IP.431. The following lesson also applies to the HDL wireless mesh gateway because the settings are very similar. Every HDL project has an IP gateway which connects the Ethernet and the IP world to the HDL Bus Pro. When you connect to your system, you need to set this up. We have already covered this in another topic of setting your IP. This module is about setting up the remote access for the project. We assume that we have already successfully connected the project and that we can have the devices on the screen. Double-click on the IP gateway. Here we can change the IP gateway settings, for example, DHCP, yes or no, static IP, default router IP, and other settings. Here we have the connection preferences. The type gives you different modes of operation. Local network is the default type. This means no remote access is there. Next we have P2P. This option allows you to connect two HDL systems over a WAN like the internet. This requires that you have static IP and port 6000 forwarded on both your layer 2 routers. This means you have a system over the internet or a WAN. The remote server option is the most common option for remote access. You can use this on any of your HDL projects to get remote access to program the system remotely and to use the apps when you are away from the property. To set this up, select a group name and a project name. Group name could be your company name. I will call it NIC Installations and then give the project name. For example, 30 St. James Street. User can be admin and password should be 8 characters. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I suggest you select something more secure. In the preferred server section, you should use the HDL remote access server. The address is 115.29.251.24. The port should be 9999. It's not necessary to set the second server, but if you have another server as a backup, you can. Click on the Save button. Copy the information to somewhere convenient. For example, Notepad.